Hello everyone, welcome back to our WPBakery tutorial series. Halloween is almost here, and it's the perfect time to decorate your website with some spooky effects. In this video, we will show you how to create a fun, Halloween-themed hero section that's perfect for your homepage. Here's the inspiration design, adapted from Canva's Halloween templates. We extracted key elements, the cute ghost and the spooky background, and we'll add our own touches to make it unique. If you already have a design, you can start from that instead. This is the final design we'll be replicating in this tutorial. You may notice extra touches, like a ghost cursor, a Halloween countdown timer, a creative Halloween button, and spooky sound effects. We've built all of these using our custom GPTs of ChatGPT, which are publicly available. You'll find the prompts in the video description, so you can easily recreate every element yourself. Let's start building. Create a new page or open an existing one. Choose the template style as per your need. Now add a new row. Set the row stretch to Stretch Row and Content with No Paddings option. Then, from the design options, set your Halloween background image. This sets the spooky stage for everything else. Next, add an inner row and set 2 columns. On the right side, insert an image element and upload your cute Casper. We are setting the image size to full here, but you can choose your best option. To add a floating slide-in animation, apply a custom class name, then paste the CSS from the video description into your custom CSS panel. You can even generate your own animation code using ChatGPT or our AI. Let's add the headline. Find and insert the custom heading element and type your main text. For a spooky effect, choose the Google font Creepster and set the font size and color to fit your design. Now, duplicate the heading to create subheadings. Set your text, and then switch the font to Crayon for a nice balance. We need to add left padding to this column to make it perfect. To do that, edit the inner row and set the left padding from the design option. Now it's time to add a spooky countdown. This timer is made with our custom GPT of ChatGPT. Let's find it and add it to the section, setting the event due date, text color, and adding a transparent background color and timer font size. For setting the spooky style, we are using the Halloween font style. Add the Halloween button next. This one was built with our official GPT tool. Set the text, color, and link. To add gaps before and after the custom button, we are adding the empty space here. But you can add the margin padding control to the button while building this element with GPT. Now for a fun touch, let's add a spooky custom cursor. You can generate it using the GPT prompt shared in the description. To have the cursor effect, you need to add a custom class to the element and choose the image type and set the image of your desired custom cursor image and save it. After that, assign the generated class to the inner row or to the place where you want to show the custom cursor. Keep the cursor image under 32 by 32 pixels for best results. Now, check it in the front end. Let's bring it to life with a sound effect. We have created the background audio player element with our GPT. You will get the detailed prompt to build that too. Now, find the audio element and add it to the section. Then, select a Halloween track from Pixabay or get it from anywhere you want. We are using Pixabay's sound here. Get the MP3 URL of the sound effect and paste it into the element. To make it perfect, enable autoplay on first click, set the volume, and style your play icon color, size, and position. This icon will work as a play button in the front end. This small touch completes the spooky atmosphere. Let's check the spooky effect in the front end. Let's add one more creative touch, a custom shape divider for the section. Add a new row in WPBakery. You can upload your own shape divider, but here we are using the Shape Divider app. This app will generate the SVG Shape Divider file for you. Link is available in the description. You can choose any divider style as you like, set color and size too, and then download the SVG. Once ready, add the shape as the background image for your row. Set it to full width stretch with the no paddings option. Oops, there is an issue with the repeat background image in the main row. To fix that, we are changing the row's background image size to cover. Great, it's okay now. But wait, it needs some space to look better. Right now, we are inserting an empty space element inside the row to adjust spacing. Save your changes, and your Halloween hero section is complete. By the way, one thing we like to ensure is that before uploading any SVG file to your site, make sure you have added support for SVG MIME types. You can use the SVG support plugin to have that. Now, let's see how you can create your own custom elements using our official GPTs. You'll find prompt templates and GPT links in the description. Let's use the Create Element by Image GPT. Take a screenshot of the Halloween timer and paste our provided prompt along with that. Then, GPT will generate a zip file for you. It's that simple now. Download the plugin and try it. You may need to refine your prompt or go back and forth with the AI for perfect results. That's part of the creative process. To create the rest of the elements shown in the video, try the Generate WPBakery Custom Element plugins from User Description GPT. You will get the prompt from the description. And that's it. Your Halloween hero section is ready. Let us know how you like this tutorial, and tell us in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more WPBakery tutorials.